I try to communicate, but something makes me wait. Have a guilty conscience, everything my brother I just dedicate. I would take sleeping pills cause the feeling helps me medicate. Confronted with problems that I delegate by that and wait. I believe there's a chance I reach for and I salivate. Won't give up until succeeding, fill an album case. One point in time I would have the dream and just let them waste. But something strange today became a change. But today I woke up with a sense of faith that they gave me strength with a bit of hope. Have to move on but I'll never let them go. It was either this or a death by a gruesome pistol blow. My whole life's been a song where I just fucking missed a note. I screwed it all up cause people I love I just pissed them off. I threw my cards on the table and just risked it all. I was afraid then, but now I'm ready to get my life rolling and kick the ball.
I believe there's love in you. We're locked in a dusty avenue. Inside your heart, just afraid to go. I am more than innocent, but just take a chance and let me in. And I'll show you ways that you don't know.
My new for gaining confidence, how I thought of this. What solution to what my problem is? No fucks for what time it is. Talk to Christina about my botanist. Someone I met that made me thought of this. Maybe talking to myself about my issues, but help. The confidence is what will lift you. Someone when you fall and can come and get you. Strength to protect the ones who love and kiss you. To stand up to the motherfuckers who try to diss him. I use these lines for coping, nothing to fucking snort and misuse. See life in my eyes and count the people who try to trick you. Take advantage and get the upper hands for the ever miss you. See things how they play out, make those stages a maze, trying to find the way out. Maybe instead the way I find positive that way. I dug and found pain where I live to get it out in sideways. Get my own ego high just to overwrite the down days. For everyone to get down the path that I wanna do it my way. Believe in me and I believe in you, we'll make it down the highway.
I believe there's love in you.